7329 Romer. This is an area that we're doing quite a bit of business in right now. The sellers are in the backyard, so I won't go back there. I'll just point out that although this is desert landscaping, you may get HOA violations if you don't clean up the needles. We have different landscapers that can offer quotes, but that's fairly common. So rekey at the front door and garage door. The front door looks nice. Seems to be a well cared for home. We already have the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. We would remove the drapes if the sellers leave them, patch over the holes, touch it up. And they're on all of the windows, I believe, so possibly get a quote for repainting the whole property. Just at the same time, you might as well. The cabinets are in really good condition. We already have a space saver microwave. We do have the older style recessed box lighting, but these are really high ceilings and it is recessed, so I'm not sure how much it bothers me. We'd want to seal off, I believe we'd want to seal off that attic access because I believe it may violate the fire code. So we have a pantry right here in the kitchen. High ceilings, a really nice upgraded fan. So we have the tile here. And then changes to laminate wood. We have the same blinds. The verticals look to be in good condition, just like everything in this property. You can tell it's, a little older and used, of course, because people are living in here. That's something you expect. But it appears that they've taken very good care of things. And you will see that reflected in the rehab. So again, we have the blinds that we would remove, or the drapes, sorry, that we would remove. The blinds are already in place. A really great looking fan. So as you can see, there's a rug and furniture. I can't really tell the condition of the flooring, but when I'm just looking across here, it looks fairly straightforward, fairly standard. I have a tiny bit of damage there, not a big deal. For some reason, there's not a light switch here. I've never seen that, but we do have a beautiful fan, and the light works. So we have closet guides here. Need to figure out what's going on there. Have the handyman take a look at it. Okay, that probably wasn't helpful, sorry. Maybe a DIY flooring job here, but it's such a small area. Tile's only about $5 a square foot, and if you can't tell, it's a very small area. So it wouldn't be very inexpensive if we had to redo the tile. So that's not a concern. Carpet looks pretty good. Blinds look good. Low maintenance tub. Not a lot of caulking to keep up with. Really high shower rod. I believe this is the one that is screwed into the wall, so it'll probably stay. Okay, might get a peek into the backyard. Oh, they're standing there. It's a little weird. Okay. So this side we get the evening sun. As you can see, we already have the concrete, but this helps to protect from the sun, so that's great. But we would need some rock or something installed in the backyard. Hello. I'm just gonna get this side, sorry.
Oh, I thought you did that. Oh.